Hey everyone, I am Bruce, and today I'm going to explain to you how to connect Stripe to your Shopify. Start by opening Shopify store when you want to add Stripe. Now from its homepage, click on Settings from your bottom left corner. Then go to Payments from here. From this page, you can add different payment methods and payment providers. So to add Stripe, click on Choose a Provider, as Stripe is a payment provider that offers different options. Next, you just need to search for Stripe right here. As you can see, it will allow you to add Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay. So just select Stripe from here. Then you will need to add the email address that you have on Stripe. Once you have successfully logged in with your Stripe account will be connected to your Shopify store. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.